For this video, we will be demonstrating best practices of the screening process with two options for performing secondary screening. The first example will have a staff member performing the check on an alarmed patron with a secondary screening device. This is the recommended screening procedure for most security checkpoints. The second will have a staff member using the machine to perform both primary and secondary screening via what is often called the yo-yo method. The subjects will approach the checkpoint, the bag checker will instruct them to divest, and they will move through the walk-through passageway. Subjects that do not alarm should gather their items and are free to proceed. Subjects that do alarm will only be scanned around the area that alarmed on the walk-through, as the metal detector has already performed a full scan of the body. Remember to confirm that the alarmed area is clear before allowing the subject through the checkpoint. Alternatively, you can employ the yo-yo method. When a subject alarms, the secondary screener will direct them back through the walkthrough and use the walkthrough's indicator to tell the subject where to check for alarming items. The subject will divest of all potentially alarming items in that area and pass through the detector again. This process is repeated until the subject no longer alarms, at which point they should gather their items from the divesting table and are free to proceed into the venue. Note that the yo-yo method can significantly reduce patron throughput when compared with the secondary screening device method.